100% guaranteed USDA choice, ribeye boneless, baby. Come on. Probably made in California. Hello? Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Shit.
Oh. You get the couch and I get both beds.
No.
It's a little windy.
It's a little windy. We're gonna throw streamers, bud. We're gonna throw big ones. Everything I own. Colorado sucks.
That's a ball of feathers there.
Yeah. Windy, a little cloudy. Got about 2 hours till dark. And shit, man. We're throwing some meaty, articulated shit today.
We didn't have much time, so we got about an hour and a half in on the river just before dark and just threw streamers. Got lucky. Right about 10 minutes of light left, I banged like a nice about 21-inch rainbow. So can river some Traeger smokes deox. Got that thing fired up, just waiting. So.
Oh, yeah.
Craft.
Come on. Super crown.
Look at that form.
Ooh, get up and underneath it. Just tuck it right in. That's a juicy one, dude. 8:57 a.m.
A little behind, but breakfast burritos were worth it.
Oh, yeah. Got some good nutrition. Saw about 100 pronghorn on the way in.
Well, we got a little lucky. At our lodge, the wind was ripping. I'm sure it'll happen later, but for now, knock on glass. Seems to be really calm. It's a beautiful morning. Probably won't be for long, but hopefully we can catch at least a couple before the sails start getting ripped off the ship. So, big girl.
Nice, dude.
Trouble with the whole world under our feet, and we long lost count of nights we spent together, smoking weed and solving mysteries, keeping heaven close within our reach and making history. Chose to have fun with it. We'd be laughing like the devil on a rainy summer Sunday with the decent people shaking their